It's one of the unique things about Tremco. I like to say that Tremco knows glazing. We compete with some competitors on the engineered rubber products, the gaskets, the setting blocks, the spacers and things like that. We do it all.
It's going to give the owner the satisfaction of having one supplier. It helps with warranties, it helps with issues. If we have leaks or issues on the job, we know where to go.
Tremco has best-in-class design engineering capabilities, both on the design side and in the structural glazing and silicone side.
When we're looking at, for example, sealants to be used, we want to make sure that the sealants adhere to the various metal finishes and the other components.
And you may ask, well, why do we need to do some of these tests? Well, many times, even before a job start up with your contractor, the contractor may be needing a certain sealant and they have certain types of substrates. It's not always concrete that you're trying to put these products onto. So they may want to know, well, how well do these things stick?
So we have adhesion and compatibility. And then when we look at the weather sealing aspect of the building envelope, where we go from the glazing to maybe brick or stone, we want to be sure that the sealants do not cause any staining.
Well, the pull tests make sure that you actually have a recorded value and that you're getting a cohesive failure instead of adhesive failure.
But likewise, we have a technical service team that oversees not only that lab testing I talked about earlier, but construction document review.
And there's a lot of mathematical calculations that need to be made to make sure that the sealant, you're actually using the sealant to help hold the glass.
Typically, we will get metal drawings with glass included from our customers, and we will take those drawings and fill in the blanks. So they give us a little bit of a blank slate and allow us a little bit of creativity on how we can solve their problems.
And then we move into the services related to proper gasket design. And we have a whole crew that focuses just on that as well, our design engineering group.
Specific to restoration, one of the tools that we have in our facility is a 3D printer. This helps reduce the turnaround time for our customers. We're able to print something out, usually within a day or two, get that out to our customer. They are able to look at it quickly in the field and make the determination if they want that part or not. We'll design it, they'll okay it based off of some dimensions. We then send that over to our quoting department to get a quote rolling, to get the project rolling.
Our test wall, I think, is a critical piece of the solutions-based offerings that we provide. One of the things when we make our recommendations, the test wall enables us to make sure those aren't just theoretical, but they've actually been tested in our lab.
It's really a benefit for not only the client, but the project itself. I mean, keeping it under schedule and making sure that it goes smooth. Being able to see issues on a mock-up like that before they go out to the field, it's big.
If somebody tells you something, that's great, but if you have someone else cross-verifying all of those quality assurance things, it's a really a good value add in terms of knowing that when you put Tremco on your building, there's a good level of service that goes with that.
And with our team of 70 field representatives, it's very easy to contact them and have them come out and take a look at the details and ask a lot of questions. We do have to address the performance of the weather seals and the coatings if we're going to keep the buildings operational and provide indoor occupant comfort.